Hello my friends, and welcome to another episode of Inside Out Electronic. And today we will try to get inside this Sony Xperia phone, which has this back all completely shattered. Luckily the front is all fine and the back is shattered. So, well, I resorted to it happened actually ages ago, like 2 or maybe 3 years ago, but I had to go back to this phone again because my Galaxy S10 completely died. So, and it out of warranty, so I'm sort of out of luck now, and I sent my phone to repair. We'll see how it's gonna go and how much it's gonna cost, but looks like it is losing those shards as you see, and I can injure myself or lose it all over the floor or something like that. So this is a bad idea. That has to be replaced. So let's take a look at this, obviously non-OEM, Chinesium sort of brand of replacement back, and see what we can do. What else is here? Nothing. So yeah. Only what we have is only this thing, and it looks like it's sealed in this little pouch. Let's take a look. Get out. It's like stuck here. Here we are. That's actually looking pretty decent. Wait, is it a joke or what? Oh. I honestly thought that this is part of the actual housing, not part of the back. So that's maybe some nasty surprise of incompatibility, because I don't want to rip this ring off in order to, you know, put this screen on. But who knows? Maybe I'll have to. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. First of all, I have to remove this. An idea here is that you have to warm up this bag and peel or scrape those bits and pieces off. Completely clean up with alcohol and I guess reapply this thing. Obviously there is no user manual of any kind, right? There's only a hope this is adhesive back, okay, and this glue, just stick it here and that's it. Okay, well, so I do have a 3D printer, so my idea is to plop this foam on 3D printer heated bed, warm it up to let's say 70 Celsius, and try to peel it off. So I'll try to do this off screen. I'll just show you some of the fragments of the video, because unfortunately I won't be able to shoot this right there or bring the printer over here. So, and obviously in order to have, I cannot actually remove the print bed and just connect 24 volt to it, because I need this PID loop which actually, you know, keep the temperature steady. So, but it's actually interesting idea to use 3D printer, old 3D printer, how you call it, board and heated bed, turn into some sort of, you know, rework station. So or yes, phone rework sort station. Of phone warmed up. They decided to, why would I need to actually heat up the whole thing, right? And also it took way more time than I expected. So I prepared this thing. This is my probably this is too hot for it. This is my air rework station, and I'm just gonna be using it. It's right now set to actually 400 Cs, which is probably a wee bit too much. I'm gonna set it to probably, okay, it's dropping 350. Let's say 250 C. Okay, 300. Let's reduce airflow. 240. Okay, let's do this. Let's see how hot is that. It's pretty warm. We'll need to get more air. Temperature will drop, obviously. So I'm gonna warm it up on the perimeter here, give it more air. Decided to use my silicone mat in order to collect all shards. And unfortunately I cannot lift it as a whole piece, so I have to like pull it just like that. Ugh. Those shards are terribly sharp. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of glass bags. Like, I don't know why would people come up with them. And my Galaxy S10 has this, I think it's glass. Okay. Curious how much lighter this foam become. I'm gonna shut it down for now. Without... oh wow! It just... maybe I should also wear glasses. Oops. I turn it on. Good. Okay, it powered on. Okay, now it's coming off pretty easy. It's looking good. Nice. That's very nice. That came off pretty easy. What is that? It's actually a pretty big battery. I thought it's so much smaller. Well, this is, I guess, NFC. The phone is pretty warm, so I have to clean up all this jazz around the perimeter over here and prepare it for application of a new backing. That's pretty big battery. I thought it's gonna be... actually, it's not holding the battery very well then, especially when I see that such a big battery right there. Okay, so this is annoying thing is not needed anymore. Oh, so much quieter. That's cool. Okay, so... okay, hope this thing is more or less compatible. Looks like it is, yeah, looks like it is. It is compatible. Okay, this is awesome. This is awesome. Let me clean this all up and prepare it for gluing. Okay, have a whole bunch of Q-tips and have this 70% alcohol. Some people recommend use 90 and up, but I think I ran out of 90. Believe it or not, it's actually quite a bit dirty here on the perimeter, so actually some dirt actually somehow got in. What the hell is this? Antenna of some sort? Oh, little cute vibration motor right there. Actually, this 70% doesn't do good job to cleaning up this goop. Not sure if I have to really obsess about it and clean it up 100% or it doesn't really matter. Never done it before, doing it first time in my life, except once I replaced. Also gonna double check this lens to make sure there is no dirt and grit got in there. What I like about this phone that it has decent. Is this a glue on the perimeter here? For a second I thought that there is a glue around this thing, but looks like not. Okay, I think I cleaned it up good enough for my liking. I'm actually so tempted to design some sort of plate right in 3D print and just use that instead. Okay, so now we have it all cleaned up, more or less. Okay, let's try to apply our back. Yeah, so glue is here on the perimeter only. You see this blackness over there, the shiny kind of, not matte, but shiny. Okay. That's I'm not gonna touch now. Let's see. A better idea because I have this suction cup right here. I think it will give me better control. Yeah, suction cup my ass. Okay, well, that was intentional. Intention. Garbage. Something kind of pushes it. This thing pushes it back out of the. Okay, gonna be using this. Okay, it's looking so much better. Let's kind of give it a bit of a heat. Over here has been some glue popped out from manufacturer. Thank you very much. I'm gonna clean up after I heat it up. That's looking so much better, I must say. As good as new. Just warm up a little bit of glue. Make sure it sticks very well. A little bit warm up that glue, make sure it sticks very well. Never gonna use this garbage anymore. I think I have another one somewhere. Okay, let's power it up. This thing broke. Well, so technically I could have not even put this back. Like if this thing broke, so it's not waterproof anyways, and there is no any antenna glued to this backing, so technically if I would put it just in some sort of case, you can just do without back at all. So just to make sure those shards are not flying all over the place. Just want to check camera. So back replacement was actually super easy for this particular phone. Is it already scratched? Are you kidding me? No way. What? Oh my god, it's already scratched. So it definitely needs some sort of, it's probably some kind of shit replacement glass, which looks like OEM, but it's not. Look, it's already scratched over here. I don't know if you see it. Come on. Camera looks good. I don't know if you see it. Here's the air rework station. Okay, anyways, that seems to be fine, just fine. So wow, I think it was pretty easy, so anyone can do it. Instead of this guy, you can just use hair dryer. Yeah, it's hair blower. So that's as easy as that. Have to make sure that I put some sort of casing in here, because this looks like crap now, or starting to looking like. Gonna clean it up and we good. So guys, so my verdict: if you wanna if you have a phone like that, or any other phone with glass backing, technically replacing the cracked back is not that complicated. You just warm it up and peel it off and pop new one. Sometimes it's bad to the point it's actually broken to the pieces, because this one actually came off nicely as one piece, which is really good, and it's not much hassle to actually peel it off, and there is no shards all over the place. There is still little shards, like I see it over here, tiny ones, so I still gonna like make sure all this workspace is clean as it's supposed to be. They even got beyond this little rubber mat, but technically you can do it, and it's very easy. You can do it yourself. So guys, thank you very much for watching this short episode on how to fix back of your glass back of your phone. That can be any other phone. So many phones using this glass back these days. And stay tuned for another episode of Inside Out Electronics, and see ya next time.